Hey, what's up you guys? I'm coming at you with a camera quick tip. This is a new series that we're going to start doing about how to engineer your own camera rigs, your own running gun stuff without having to go to the store and spending a lot of money, because I engineer a lot of my own stuff. I make all my own camera rigs and mounts and everything out of just spare parts around my house. So today I'm going to show you a very cool tip about how to mount your point and shoot cameras, your DSLR cameras, any camera that has a tripod mount thread under the bottom of it. We're going to show you how to mount that to any GoPro mount. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need, of course, is any kind of GoPro mount with 3 teeth. Doesn't really matter what it is. This is for your slide mounts when you have it to a sticky or a bike mount, which is what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. You're going to need a GoPro mount to a tripod mount with 3 teeth, or preferably 2 teeth. You'll see why in a minute. You'll need a set screw, a 1/4 set screw. They come 2 in a pack. You get them from Lowe's or whatever. The reason you need a set screw is because it's easy to adjust it, and because you need both sides. Now normally you can get these screws with the heads, but you don't want the heads. You want it to be able to use both sides of the screw without having to cut it. Not everybody can cut heads off of screws because you need some serious equipment. So just go ahead and get these set screws because it's just simple. And then last but not least, you'll need a standard GoPro wrench or a super long one. You can get the super long ones from having broken bike mounts, because they always come with a super long tightening bolt for adjustability, of course, and preferably a camera. I'm just going to use this DV300F with the front LCD. Now, the really reason behind this, why I figured out how to do this, is because beforehand I would used to just drill a bolt straight through the PVC, and that's it. You can't adjust it, and it's very hard to drill a whole nother hole and move it if you want to adjust it. So what we're going to show is just how to use the bike mounts on your PVC DIY rig, which is all I use. I don't have any other kind, and you can mount anything you want. So let me guys show you. I got my mic set up on this side, and then I have my LED bar light set up on this side, but it's behind the camera helping with the light right now. So if we go ahead and start putting this together, so what you want to do first is grab your camera, of course, and we're going to go ahead and put this set screw inside of it. Now, you can have a bolt on the set screw to make it tighter to the camera, but you don't really need it, because once this gets in there, this camera's pretty tight. We're going to go ahead and tighten the set screw in there, and there you go. And you got your GoPro to tripod mount. You're going to use the tripod mount and screw it on also. Try to make sure it's semi-straight. And I need it facing the backwards way so it'll fit flat on the mount. And then what we're going to do is zoom in. We are going to align the teeth together so they're matched perfectly. Now the reason you would want 2 teeth instead of 3 is because the 3rd teeth has the little mount where you can put the nut in, which is on this side, but you can't have it on both sides. So you can usually pop these out pretty easily because they're not glued in. So if you would still have this 3rd teeth on there, you would need this super long bolt to be able to tighten all the way. But since I've broken off my 3rd teeth, I can only need a standard bolt. I don't need the super long one. And with the super long one, you need like a wrench and everything. And ugh. So if you can, just go ahead and break your 3rd teeth off so you don't have to go through all that plastic. And don't worry, it's still super strong. And after you tighten the bolt down, you're ready to go out and shoot using any GoPro mount. Now this is great for if you want to have the camera on a DIY rig like this, put it on your bike, you can put it in your car for your car vlogs. I mean, you can use this for anything that you would use for your GoPro besides, you know, underwater or anything with water, in case your camera is not water resistant. But if you do have a water resistant point and shoot, then you're golden. So I just wanted to give you guys this little tip because it took me forever to find out how to do this, and this is a simple way. So I hope you guys have a great day. See you later.